In this video, we're going to look at the amplitude and period of trig graphs. So let's look at this first trig graph. So the amplitude is the maximum value, subtract the minimum value divided by 2. So it's 2 take away -2 all divided by 2. And this would be 4 over 2, so the amplitude would be 2. The period is how often it repeats itself. So this sine curve starts there, it then goes up and then below the curve and then comes back to its starting place after 90 degrees. So the period for this one is 90 degrees. Let's move on to the second curve, the cos curve. So amplitude is its maximum value, which is 4. Subtract its minimum value, which is -4 divided by 2. 4 take away -2 is 8. 8 over 2 is 4. So its amplitude is 4. This cos curve, well, it starts at its maximum. So when it comes back to its maximum, it has done a whole period, and at this time it comes back at 60 degrees. So the period of this cos curve is 60 degrees. Now for tan, as tan's maximum and minimum values are infinity and negative infinity, we don't give it a amplitude. But it does have a period, so we can have a look at it here. So its x-intercept here is 0, and then the next time it has its x-intercept is 45. So the period of this tan graph is 45